If you're suffering from back pain, you're not alone. Statistics show that 75% of the adult population in this country suffers from some type of back pain. Luckily, help is on the way. Introducing the all-new Health Gear Delux Heat and Vibration Massage Inversion Table, designed with the latest in technology and innovation. A new comfortable padded backrest with diamond stitch padding, and a new patented adjustable racing-style headrest for taller people. A long front extension arm for easy and convenient entry and exit to the inversion table. A built-in and removable heat and vibration massage pad that not only adjusts from lower to middle to upper back and shoulder areas, but can also be used in your favorite chair, bed, or even while traveling. A unique and easy-to-use side inversion pin that allows for 20, 40, 60, and 90-degree inversion without having to get off the unit to adjust the old-style straps that many competitors use. An easy height adjustment selector for people ranging from 5'1" to 6'6". 4 comfortable high-density foam ankle rollers, and a unique patented dual-frame locking system that not only secures the front slider bar from moving, but also secures the frame together with storing the unit. This model also comes with rolling wheels to help move the unit from one room to another. Using an inversion table for just minutes a day can reverse the negative effects that gravity puts on our spines each and every day by counteracting gravity and releasing the pressure on the discs, bringing blood flow and nutrients back into the spine for temporary relief. This inversion table is not only tested by one of the most reputable consumer products testing company, Underwriters Laboratories, but also is registered with the FDA as a Class 1 medical device. Extreme Products Group. With all inversion tables, consult your physician before starting any inversion therapy.